Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to clean up our PC and make it fast, our internet speed and all other things make super fast with our local resources without installation of any third-party software. And it's like a DOS command, it's bat file. So first thing first, we are gonna speed up our internet at the initial time. So here we're gonna search for Notepad. On the Notepad we're gonna type first line here ipconfig /release. Then we're gonna give it a timeout for 5 seconds, and to do this we're gonna have to paste in this command. All this command I'm gonna put it in the description so you can copy and paste. And then we're gonna do ipconfig again, then enter. Then again we're gonna give a timeout break for 5 seconds, then enter. And then at the last we're gonna flush our DNS server, which will make our internet speed super fast. And we're gonna save this file save as, and I have made a folder on my desktop calling bat file BAT. So we're gonna save it DNS flush, actually DNS flush .bat, and not the text document. We're gonna have to select all files and it's gonna be saved. Okay, on the second one we have this file. At the beginning you have to just write @echo of, then del space /s/f/q space c:\windows /temp /starduster. And as I have said that all this command I'm gonna put on the description, so you can download them and just save as file, save as, give it a name and .bat and select all files. Since I have cleanup already saved, actually I have opened this one and I'm showing you this. So you save, hit on save, and you are good to go. Next file is going to be like a little bit advanced cleanup, so this one is a little bit big. So now let me show you how it works. You right click on this BAT file and run as administrator. You see, it just flushed your DNS within a millisecond. I can show you again. See, just a splash. Second, we wanna actually we just clean up our temp folder, and now we're gonna flush our DNS and run as administrator. Okay, you see the RDP got disconnected because the DNS has been flushed. So you see, you can okay, we are reconnected. Now the last thing, we wanna clean up our computer completely. Let me show you something. Suppose this is a browser and I have ZenMate installed and logged in, and all these other extensions has been added to the browser. So let me close it back and let me run the cleanup process. You see, it's cleaning up so deeply, and we don't need any third-party software to do this. It's just taking a while because it's cleaning the deep. You see, you can see it's clean the Google data, app data, user data, all this Chrome data, and still is cleaning resources and the prefetch data. There is plenty of junk to clean. Actually every day we use internet, and you see this one cleaned all these portable profiles too. And we use internet and all other software. Every software, any software we use, it creates its batch files and log files and all these cache files, and these files makes our computer super slow day by day. So it's done, it's finished its job, and now saying press any key to continue. Once we press any key, it will quit, and our computer is became super fast. Another thing you can do is press Command R on your computer. Press Command R and type app data, hit enter. Okay, this is the, let me see, it's in the roaming, Microsoft, Windows, start menu, programs, startup. Okay, it's setting wallpaper. Let me remove this. Okay, now if you put your DNS flash on this file, on this actually I'm not gonna, this is an RDP, so if I put the DNS flash, it's gonna give me trouble. So let me put those cleanup thing here on startup. Okay, and let me shut down the computer. Actually restart the computer. You will see it will automatically clean up the computer. Even the flash DNS file, you can put it on the startup folder as well. Another thing you can do is add a schedule, task scheduler on here. Task scheduler, open the task scheduler, and here task scheduler library, and you can create a new one on your own. Suppose create a new folder here, create a basic task. Okay, and you have to put the name of the task, like put flash DNS or cleanup. You can put any description on here, and next, click on next. Actually I wanted to do it hourly, but there I don't see anything hourly, so I'll put daily and click on next. Start on today, of course, and recur every 1 day. Click on next. Action, start a program. Click on next, and now you have to select the program that we have saved on our desktop, PAT file, and cleanup too. Next and finish. So it's going to do the task every day on the scheduled thing. So let me restart the RDP so you can see our start menu programming is working. See, it's working on the background to clean up the system. So you see, this one is started automatically, and it's gonna work on to clean our computer at startup. Okay, so it's cleaned our computer again, and let's see one thing. You see all this extension, everything is just gone because it's cleaned the extension cache, and we have to re-enable everything, reinstall everything. Okay guys, so that was today's video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing our channel and please share the videos to your friends. Thank you guys, have a nice day.